Hello everybody, this is going to be another unboxing video, but it's not for a watch. It's a pair of straps that I purchased from one of my buddies recently, so I thought of sharing the unboxing experience with you guys. Let's try to open this up carefully. Alright, this is a leather strap from my buddy. It's called LettersLeather, and it comes with a decent box, which is quite nice. So let's open up. How do I do that? So am I supposed to slide it off? Yep, I think I'm supposed to slide it out, but I guess it's dented during the shipping, making it a little hard, so please pardon the struggling here. And ta-da! Whoa, I have to say, the details in the packaging is awesome. It's fantastic. And yep, you see, they even have a personalized note. Thank you, GFW, right, for choosing LettersLeather. Your support is invaluable. That's a really nice piece of paper. Alright, nice. Oh, and it comes with a green velvet bag. And what is this? It's a free gift, I guess. It's a professional Xing Yin Feng anti-tarnish silver polishing cloth. Okay, it's a polishing cloth. Right, it's nice. You buy leather straps and you get like polishing cloth. It's really very nice. So, let's see. Ooh, nice. Ooh la la, I like it. The attention to detail, even in the packaging, is really fantastic here. Oh, wow, nice, man. Very nice. Oh, I forgot to turn on the lights. Sorry. Whoa, it's nice. Okay. And here you have LettersLeather. It's nice stitching. Okay, there's a bit of glue here, but yeah, it's on the other side, but I'm not sure whether will that irritate the wrist, but we shall see, we shall see. And what about this? Let me just... nice, I like this color. Oh la la. Oh la la. Nice color. Whoa. Whoa, I really like it. So, if you're not aware, LettersLeather, they make customized leather strap. Alright, so you can basically customize the lug width, the length of the straps, the types of leather, the buckles, different kind of buckles, different shapes of design, and up to like the sides of the leather. You can choose like what color do you like, and even the thickness of the leather. There are a whole bunch of customizations that you can do on the leather strap, and I believe they do have engraving service. If you want, you can like engrave like customized letter or your name on the leather strap. I believe they can do that on the front and on the back as well, if I'm not mistaken. And yep, I have to peel this off, but I'm guessing it's gonna be hard if I do it on camera. But I'm gonna go like the brutal way, where I just try to tear my way through the plastic wrapping. And if I'm unsuccessful, I will just fast forward the video so that I cut the embarrassment away. Right, so this is the buckle that I've chosen, and it's nice to see a signed buckle, even for I would say a quite a customized. They are not like mass produced, but it's really nice to see a signed buckle. Ooh, I really like the strap. And If you don't know by now, I have a small wrist, like a 6-inch wrist, 15.2 centimeters wrist. So what I ordered was a shorter version of the strap. And because I have a new edition of watch, you know, the Rado Captain Cook 37 millimeters that comes with a 19 millimeters lug width. So I ordered two straps with 19 millimeters lug width. So the intention is for this to go with the Rado and for this maybe to go with my Black Bay 36. Both of them have a 19 millimeters lug width. So yep, I thought of like, okay, what's best for me to choose, you know, why not go for a 19 millimeters lug width lug strap, because it's a customized strap anyway, and it's hard for me to find like a really good leather with 19 millimeters of lug width. Yeah, it's nice. Well, a disclaimer here, this is not anything sponsored. I paid full price for the straps because I wanted to see how good my friend is. And from this initial unboxing experience, I can say that it's good. It's really good if you look at the attention to details in the packaging, you know, in the customized note and the free polishing cloth. The quality of the leather is really nice and the stitchings are good. These are all handmade, you know, it's custom made by hand. Yeah, it's fantastic. So if you are interested to grab one for yourself, I will put a link down in the video description below. I do not get anything if you buy from my friend here, but I'm just like, I really like his workmanship, so I'm recommending him strongly if you are a watch fan. So alright, that's it for this video. I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.